Alarm clock. Yeah. We're going to set it to off. The alarm is clearly off. I'm pretty sure I got the volume cranked on. So I'm going to turn it back to off. Alarm is off. Time reads 4:01. I'm going to set the thing there just to show you I got the alarm set for 8:30 in the morning, so it shouldn't go off anyway. But then when we turn this beautiful Tesla lamp on, turn the lamp off.
With a closure in place till 5 o'clock and southbound between 63rd and 53rd, you've got the right lane closed. Cross the Hudson River, minor delays.
Now this switch won't turn it off after the snooze button. Now notice the time's gone ahead by 6 minutes. I also noticed that when I stuck my arm in the field, it set the time back to normal.